Hello friends, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to Fashion Forward, your ultimate guide to staying ahead of the curve in the world of fashion. Today we are stepping into 2024 with a closer look at two footwear essentials that are dominating the runways this year: stiletto high heels and moles. Whether you are a seasoned fashionista or just looking for some fresh shoe inspiration, we have got you covered. We shall explore the hottest trends, talk about how to style them for every occasion, and even share some pro tips on how to make your favorite pair of heels more comfortable. So let's dive in. Let's kick things off with stilettos are arguably one of the most iconic symbols of feminine fashion, known for their sleek, towering heels. Stiletto instantly elevate any outfit, both literally and figuratively. While these shoes have been a wardrobe staple for decades, 2024 is all about taking this classic silhouette and giving it a fresh modern twist. This year, the focus is on innovation, designer or finding ways to merge ele- elegance with comfort. We are seeing softer materials, more ergonomic designs, and cushioning technology that makes stiletto less daunting to wear for long periods. Some high and brands are even working with podiatrists to create heels that are stylish without compromising foot health. Another trend that's gaining momentum is the re-emergence of spectral heels. Think of stilettos with artistic statement making heel shapes, whether it's geometric, curved, or asymmetrical. These designs are perfect for fashion forward women who want to stand out. Popular colors for 2024 range from classic tones like black, beige, and white to bold neon hues and metallic finishes. These variations offer something for everyone, whether you are attending a formal event or casual outing or even making a fashion statement at work. Now let's talk about how to style your stiletto for different occasions. Whether you are headed to the office, a dinner party, or a night out with friends, a pair of stilettos can instantly elevate your look. For the workplace, nothing says power like a sleek pair of pointed toe stilettos. Black or nude pairs are timeless and versatile, effortlessly pairing with tailored suits, pencil skirt, and cropped trousers. If your office dress code allows for it, you can experiment with a bit of color. Think deep maroon or forest green for a sophisticated twist. When it comes to evening wear, stilettos are the go-to choice for most fashionista for an elegant dinner party. Pair metallic or jewel-toned stilettos with a chic cocktail dress or a long evening gown. If you are hitting the tone for a more casual night out, do not shy away from playful patterns like animal print or a floral designs. These stilettos added a fun, trendy touch to jeans and a cute top or a casual dress. Remember, in 2024, the focus is on expressing your individually through bold statement footwear. Moving on to the shoe that has taken the fashion world by storm in recent years, moles. These blackless slip-on shoes are perfect for women on the go, combining comfort with style. In 2024, malls have evolved beyond their minimalist origins and have become a true statement piece. Malls are incredibly versatile, making them a favorite for women who want to fashionable yet effortless look. You will find everything from flat casual malls to high-heeled ultra glamorous designs. One of the big trends this year is the black-heeled mall, offering more stability than a stiletto but with the same level of sophistication. Black-heeled malls are perfect for those who want to stay comfortable while maintaining a chic styles appearance. In terms of materials, we are seeing a wide range of texture this year: suede, leather, stun, and even velvet for a bold fashion-forward look. Designers are adding embellishments like crystals, beads, and embroidery to molds. These details make them ideal for special occasions when you want to make a lasting impression. On the other hand, neutral toned leather or suede molds offer a more understand elegance that's perfect for everyday wear. Now let's explore how to style molds for various look. Their slap on nature makes them easy to wear, but that does not mean they scamp on style. For a casual daytime look, pair flat or low-heeled molds with your favorite jeans and a simple blouse. The effortless web of molds make them perfect for coffee dates, weekend brunches, or a day out shopping. If you want to dress up your molds for a business casual outfit, opt for a pair for black-heeled molds in a neutral tone. These pair perfectly with midi skirts, tailored trousers, or shift dresses, offering a chic yet professional look. When it comes to evening wear, high-heeled molds add a modern twist to traditional formal outfits. Whether you are wearing a sleek jumpsuit or an ele- elegant evening gown, embellished molds with metallic finishes or sparkly detail can add a hint of glamour. They are a fantastic choice if you are looking for something more comfortable than stiletto but still want to make a statement. One of the best things about malls in 2024 is that they are incredibly easy to transition between seasons. In the warmer months, opt for open toe malls, while in cooler weather, close to designs in rich materials like velvet or leather can keep your style on point. So how do you choose between stiletto and molds? Each offers a distinct style and purpose, and both are equally on trend in 2024. Stilettos are perfect if you are looking for something bold, sexy, and powerful. They are a must-have for any formal event or when you want to make a strong style statement. While stilettos may require a bit more commitment when it comes to comfort, their sleek look is undeniable. On the other hand, molds offer a balance of style and comfort. They are versatile and come in a wide variety of heel heights and designs, making them ideal for both casual and formal occasions. In short, if you want something that's both and elegant and easy to wear. Go for malls if you are aiming for a more dramatic polished look. Stilettos are your best bet. Either way, both styles can be mixed into your wardrobe to suit different moods and events. As we wrap up today's episode, we hope you have found some inspiration for your 2024 shoe collection. Stilettos and moles are truly timeless, yet they continue to evolve with fresh designs and innovative touch that makes them perfect for the modern woman. Whether you are stepping out in sky high stilettos or slipping into chic moles, remember that the key is confidence. Wear what makes you feel your best. Thank you for watching Fashion Forward. Be sure to subscribe to stay updated on the latest fashion trends, and do not forget to hit the like button. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments which style